Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about important question and answers of Pakistan studies relating the history of Pakistan from 1960 to present. Question: among the following, which pact with India was signed by Mr. Liaquat Ali Khan? Answer is Liaquat Nehru Pact. Question: India made a cowardly attack on Lahore, which resulted in a war between the two countries when this war broke out. Answer is 6th September 1965. Question: after the war of 1965, which pact was signed between India and Pakistan? Answer is Tashkent Pact. Question: nuclear cooperation pact with China was made on. Answer is 15th September 1986. Question: Ojri camp tragedy occurred on. Answer is 10th April 1988. Question: the Junejo government was dismissed on. Answer is 29th May 1988. Question: Ghulam Ishaq Khan became president of Pakistan in. Answer is 1988. Question: Pakistan re-entry in Commonwealth was made in. Answer is 1989. Question: first test tube baby of Pakistan was born at Lahore in. Answer is 1989. Question: Kargil crisis war occurred on. Answer is 1999. Question: Musharraf was elected as a president on. Answer is 20th June 2001. Question: HBFC was set up in. Answer is November 1952. Question: first satellite of Pakistan, Badr 1 was launched on. Answer is 16th July 1990. Question: on 28th May 1998, when 5 nuclear blasts were made at Roscoe, the day is known as. Answer is Yom-e-Takbir. Question: on 17th May 1998, India tested its nuclear capability in Dash, Rajasthan. Answer is Pokhran. Question: Pakistan entered the nuclear club on. Answer is 28th May 1998. Question: Friday was declared the weekly holiday in January Dash. Answer is 1977. Question: wheat crisis war occurred in. Answer is 1952. Question: which missile of Pakistan has surface to surface range? Answer is Gauri. Question: Pakistan withdrew from SEATO in. Answer is 1973. Question: Pakistan left CENTO in March Dash. Answer is 1979. Question: who was first the Pakistani to conquer the Mount Everest? Answer is Nazir Sabir. Question: KANNUP was established in. Answer is 1971. Question: Saudi King Shah Faisal visited Pakistan in the year of 1966 and Dash. Answer is 1974. Question: Pakistan was suspended from the Commonwealth on 18th October Dash. Answer is 1999. Question: first Agriculture University of Pakistan was established in. Answer is Faisalabad. Question: identify the former PM of India who was the only Indian leader awarded the highest civilian award of Pakistan. Answer is Morarji Desai. Question: collectively, how many Governor General ruled over Pakistan? Answer is 4. Question: who was last Governor General of Pakistan? Answer is Skandar Mirza. Please subscribe my channel and like and share the video.